it's the place where you dreamt you'd be a football player. Was it Delhi or somewhere else?
It was here, but to be honest, I never dreamt that I'm going to be a professional player. कभी जहन में था ही नहीं क्योंकि there was उस टाइम पे ये पता नहीं था कि कैसे वहाँ तक पहुँचना है. तो जब आपको रास्ता पता नहीं होता तो ड्रीम भी थोड़ी धुंधली सी होती है. I was playing because I was good at it. My then ultimate dream was कैसे ना कैसे इंडिया खेल लूँ and I'll get to St. Stephen's, as a lot of youngsters at that time wanted to. I wasn't a topper in my school. 70 odd percentage आ जाते थे, which wasn't enough to get into Stephens. So I was told कि अगर आप इंडिया खेल लो, then you might get a chance of getting into Stephens. That was the ultimate dream at that time.
The school. That
APS. I was in IE public school.
So this is the thing that I wanted to. I'm from APS.
Is
too.
it?
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely, amazing.
So I very rarely meet with people. I mean, there are many, of course,
Yes.
who are famous, but good to know. So who was your sports coach? I wonder whether we had the same one. Rajpal Singh?
Rajpal sir, of course.
Yes.
Yeah, he was a boss.
Yes.
There were different coaches, but
What
he was
did he call you?
He used to call me Chetri.
Chetri.
Even
I
then,
was
yes.
called Rao.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
was mine.
Yeah.
He never called anybody by
Yes.
their first name.
Yeah,
I think.
yeah.
I was always, Rao.
Yeah. Bhari आवाज, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
क्या है? खाना आ गया नहीं आई?
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly. Yeah. So yeah, he was there. Yeah, good to know that.
Yeah. So did you go to, like, in the morning? Did you go for?
Yeah. OP Sharma sir was there.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm forgetting other names. They were all there.
Which house were you in?
I was in Nehru. Nehru House?
Nehru House.
The best house.
Yeah, I mean,
Yes.
so let me tell you about Nehru House. I mean, of course, I'm much older than you, but when I was in school, Nehru House was pathetic in sports. We had never won anything.
We had changed it.
Yeah, so let me no, I changed it.
Okay.
Okay, this is way back. I'm talking about the 80s. And it was like, when her sporting event mein we are last,
Yeah.
It was Shivaji House or Pratap.
Yeah.
They used to get all the thing
Yeah.
and we used to be called कि तुम debating कर लो.
Yeah.
तुम्हारे बस की नहीं है sports. And for me that was a red flag. And I used to be told कि you madrasi, like no chance. Maths पढ़ लो या
Yeah.
ये कुछ
Yeah.
कर लो.
Yeah.
There's no way. And it used to really bother me. And then in one meeting, and even the teachers who were in charge of our house, they were very nerdy kind of
Yeah,
teachers.
yeah.
So हम लोग ने बोला, I'm sorry viewers, I know Sunil is the boss, but I have to share
No,
this
please,
with you.
please.
So we were told that Nehru House sports नहीं करेगा. So I told the teacher, I said, कितना और sports day में we are going to be the last in this.
Yeah. Participation.
हाँ, participation certificate या फिर march past में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा,
Yeah.
So I said, no, we have to. So we really worked. It took 2 years
Yeah.
of training really hard and going after Rajpal sir and saying that, please, train us. And I was like this thin person,
Yeah.
vegetarian, and he used to say, anda kha ke aaya kar.
Yeah.
And I used to say, I don't care. And so I played every sport for the sake of my house.
Yeah.
And it took 2 years. The sports captain was from Nehru House then.
Nice.
And the year the sports captain was from Nehru House, I became the school captain. I became prefect. And it was only because of sports.
Lovely.
It was only because I was told, nahi kar sakte tum.
Amazing.
Did that happen with you in sports that you can't do this, so you did it? Like a
Not-
red flag?
Not in the school because right from when I can remember, I was pretty good at sports. मेरी स्टोरी आपसे थोड़ी उल्टी है
हाँ.
कि आप डिबेट नहीं कर सकते हो, आप पढ़ाई में अच्छे नहीं हो, आप मैथ्स में अच्छे नहीं हो, तो it's ऐसा स्पोर्ट्स ही खेल लो. Little bit like that. Our batch did not spend too much time on studying. So we were always on the ground, on the pitch. We weren't bunking, if kids are listening. So we did all right in sports. We had quite a dominance.
So no classes.
Less classes. There were some teachers. I think what I realize now is there are some teachers who had the power of keeping us in the class, which wasn't
Yeah.
easy. The mind was already wondering कि बाहर ही रहना है because we were in sports. But there were some teachers who were magical, who could make a subject more interesting. Because at the end of the day, आप कोई भी हो, अगर कुछ interest करेगा आपको, आप वहाँ जाओगे. A lot of kids who bunk is because their interest lies of what they want to do outside.
You didn't bunk, huh?
I said I didn't.
Were you famous
But
in school?
I'm sure Ridge Road से तो सब लोग जाते
बाहर
हैं.
नहीं गए.
हाँ.
बाहर नहीं गया, but yes, we were already allowed couple of classes to be outside to play because we are in the school team. उसके बाद कभी-कभी 2 क्लास ऊपर 2 क्लास नीचे होता रहता है. Yeah, but I think as I said, a few teachers made it really interesting the classes. तो उन्होंने जो पढ़ाया वो याद रह गया.
What did you play in school?
Football, cricket. That was the main. Volleyball. The main sports I used to play.
Click here to watch the full episode.